What if I told you there are plants that bloom beautifully year after year, without replanting, without nurturing them, and without blowing your budget? These are the set it and forget it heroes of the garden world. Self-seeding perennials that save you serious time and money. Self-seeding perennials are plants that drop their seeds at the end of the season, and those seeds grow into new plants. No extra work required. They're the ultimate low-maintenance, budget-friendly blooms, and today we're counting down the best of the best. Let's dive into the 13 best ones you'll wish you planted yesterday. 1. Coneflowers, Aisha, are one of the best self-seeding perennials for gardeners looking to save both time and money. These hardy, drought-tolerant plants thrive in full sun and poor soil, making them incredibly low maintenance once established. After blooming with vibrant, daisy-like flowers in summer, coneflowers naturally drop their seeds, which germinate easily without any help. No need for replanting or buying new starters each year. Over time, they'll gradually fill out your garden with cheerful color and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. By allowing coneflowers to reseed, you create a self-sustaining patch of beauty that returns stronger every season, all with minimal effort and zero ongoing cost. 2. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia, is a standout self-seeding perennial that delivers big rewards with very little effort. Known for its bright yellow petals and dark centers, this cheerful flower blooms from midsummer into fall, bringing long-lasting color to your garden. After blooming, Rudbeckia readily drops seeds that sprout the following season, eliminating the need to buy or replant new flowers each year. It thrives in full sun, tolerates poor soil, and is remarkably resistant to drought and pests, making it a true low-maintenance champion. By simply letting it go to seed, you'll enjoy a garden that grows fuller and more vibrant over time, saving you both time and maintenance and money at the nursery. 3. Blanket flower, Gallardia, is a brilliant self-seeding perennial that offers vibrant, fiery blooms and unbeatable value for gardeners looking to save time and money. With its rich red, orange, and yellow petals, it creates a striking display from early summer through fall. Gallardia thrives in hot, sunny conditions and poor soil, requiring little to no maintenance once established. Best of all, it freely drops seeds that germinate easily, so new plants appear year after year without any replanting or extra cost. Its drought tolerance, long blooming season, and self-sufficiency make it a perfect choice for a low-effort, high-impact garden that practically takes care of itself. 4. Coneflowers Aqualia is a graceful, self-seeding perennial that brings charm and efficiency to any garden. With its delicate, nodding blooms in shades of blue, pink, purple, and white, it adds a touch of whimsy to spring landscapes. One of its greatest strengths is its ability to scatter seeds naturally, producing new plants season after season without the need for replanting or purchasing more. Columbine thrives in partial shade, adapts well to different soil types, and requires minimal care once established. By simply allowing the seed pods to mature and drop, you'll enjoy an ever-expanding display of flowers each year, saving both time and money while adding effortless beauty to your garden. 5. Coropsis is a fantastic self-seeding perennial that combines low-maintenance care with bright, cheerful color, making it a smart choice for saving both time and money. Known for its sunny yellow, daisy-like blooms, Coropsis thrives in full sun and poor dry soil, and once established, it's incredibly drought-tolerant and pest-resistant. After flowering, it easily drops seeds that sprout into new plants, meaning you won't need to replant or spend on replacements each year. By allowing just a few flower heads to go to seed, you'll enjoy a naturally spreading display that grows fuller and more vibrant with each passing season, all with minimal effort on your part. 6. Foxglove digitalis purpurea is a striking self-seeding biennial that behaves like a perennial in the garden, making it a smart, low-cost investment for long-term beauty. With its tall spires of bell-shaped blooms in shades of purple, pink, and white, Foxglove adds vertical drama and a touch of cottage garden charm. Though individual plants typically bloom in their second year, foxgloves readily self-seed, creating a continuous cycle of new plants that keep the flowers coming year after year without needing to buy or replant. They thrive in partial shade, are deer-resistant, and require little maintenance once established. By letting the seed pods mature and fall naturally, you'll enjoy a self-sustaining floral display that saves you both time and money while adding stunning height and color to your landscape. 7. Lupin is a stunning self-seeding perennial that brings bold color and structure to your garden while saving you both time and money. With its tall, spiky blooms in rich shades of purple, pink, blue, and white, Lupin creates a dramatic, eye-catching display that pollinators love. Once established, it thrives in well-drained soil with minimal care, and its natural tendency to drop seeds means new plants will emerge each year without any replanting. By allowing some flower stalks to go to seed, you'll encourage a steady supply of fresh blooms season after season, turning one planting into a flourishing, self-sustaining patch. It's a beautiful, low-effort way to fill your garden with long-lasting color. 8. Poppies are a fantastic self-seeding perennial that add vibrant, delicate beauty to your garden with minimal effort and cost. Their papery, jewel-toned blooms, ranging from fiery reds to soft pastels, create a striking display in late spring to early summer. Once planted, poppies require little care, thriving in full sun and well-drained soil. After flowering, they produce abundant seed pods that scatter naturally, ensuring a fresh wave of blooms year after year without the need for replanting. By letting nature do the work, poppies offer a low-maintenance, high-impact solution for gardeners who want long-lasting color without spending time or money season after season. 9. Sweet William, Dianthus barbatus, is a charming self-seeding perennial that combines old-fashioned beauty with practical ease, making it a perfect choice for saving time and money in the garden. With its clusters of fragrant, vibrant blooms in shades of pink, red, purple, and white, Sweet William adds color and scent to borders and beds from late spring into summer. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and adapts well to various soil types, requiring little maintenance once established. Best of all, it self-seeds reliably. So by simply allowing some flower heads to mature and drop their seeds, you'll enjoy a fresh wave of new plants each year without any replanting or extra cost. It's a low-effort way to keep your garden blooming beautifully season after season. 10. Hollyhocks are tall, majestic, self-seeding biennials that often behave like perennials, making them a cost-effective and time-saving favorite for cottage-style gardens. With their towering flower spikes covered in large ruffled blooms in shades of pink, red, yellow, and white, hollyhocks create a dramatic vertical backdrop that returns year after year. Although individual plants usually bloom in their second year, they self-seed so prolifically that new plants are constantly emerging, creating a continuous cycle of color with no need to replant. They thrive in full sun, tolerate a variety of soils, and require minimal care once established. By simply letting the seed pods mature and drop, hollyhocks can provide a self-sustaining display that brings height, beauty, and charm to your garden, saving you both effort and money in the long run. 11. Yrow Achilia is an incredibly resilient, self-seeding perennial that delivers lasting beauty with minimal effort, making it a smart, money-saving addition to any garden. Known for its flat-topped clusters of tiny blooms in shades of yellow, pink, white, and red, Yrow offers a long blooming season and a natural, meadow-like charm. It thrives in poor soil, full sun, and dry conditions, requiring little watering or maintenance once established. Best of all, Yrow self-seeds readily, so you'll enjoy new plants popping up each year without needing to buy or replant. Its tough, low-maintenance nature, combined with its ability to multiply on its own, makes Yrow an ideal choice for gardeners looking to build a self-sustaining landscape that's both beautiful and budget-friendly. 12. Verbena Bonariansis is a fantastic self-seeding perennial that offers airy elegance and long-lasting color while saving you time and money in the garden. With its tall, slender stems topped by clusters of small purple flowers, it adds vertical interest and a light, ethereal quality to borders and beds. This plant is not only heat and drought tolerant, but also beloved by pollinators like bees and butterflies. Once established, Verbena Bonariansis drops seeds freely, often sprouting new plants each season without any replanting required. Its ability to naturalize effortlessly means you can enjoy a continually blooming garden year after year with minimal effort and no added expense, making it a smart, low-maintenance choice for a vibrant, wildlife-friendly landscape. 13. Larkspur, Delphinium Consolida, is a stunning, self-seeding annual that behaves like a perennial in the garden, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save time and money while adding classic beauty. With its tall, graceful spikes of blooms in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white, Larkspur brings a soft, romantic charm to flower beds and borders. It thrives in full sun with well-drained soil and requires minimal upkeep once established. After blooming, Larkspur readily drops seeds that germinate the following season, often without any gardener intervention. By allowing seed pods to mature and fall naturally, you'll create a self-sustaining display that returns year after year, eliminating the need for replanting and reducing gardening costs while keeping your landscape effortlessly elegant. I hope you have enjoyed learning about the best self-seeding perennials, and remember, don't deadhead all your flowers. Leave a few seed heads at the end of the season so nature can do its thing. Also, be patient. Some self-seeders pop up in spring, others take their time. Mulch lightly and let the magic happen. Which of these self-seeding wonders will you plant this year? Tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a garden-saving tip. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 13 fast-spreading and easy-to-grow perennials that bloom all summer long. Happy planting, and even happier not replanting.